In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with HubSpot. By the end, you'll have Zoom connected to your HubSpot portal, so you can schedule meetings with auto-generated Zoom links and keep everything in one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to your favorite search engine. Type HubSpot and press Enter. Click the official HubSpot website, then sign in to your HubSpot account. Make sure you're in the correct portal, especially if you have access to more than one workspace. If you don't see what you expect after signing in, double-check that you're using the right login and that you have permission to install apps. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon, which looks like a small store. Click that, then choose the App Marketplace. This is where all the pre-built integrations live, and it's the fastest way to connect tools like Zoom to HubSpot. In the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Zoom. You should see the Zoom integration appear in the results. Click the Zoom listing to open its details page. Take a quick moment to scan the overview so you know what data the app will access and what features you'll get. It's also a good place to confirm compatibility and review any permission notes. When you're ready, click Install. If you're prompted to confirm the HubSpot account or portal, choose the correct one and continue. HubSpot will then guide you to connect your Zoom account. If this is your first time installing the integration, a Zoom sign-in window will open. Log into the Zoom account you want to connect to HubSpot. If your organization manages Zoom centrally, you may need an admin to approve the app, so keep that in mind. Also, make sure your browser allows pop-ups for this step so the authorization window can appear. After signing in, Zoom will show an authorization screen describing the access the integration needs. Review the details, and when everything looks good, click Allow. You'll be redirected back to HubSpot, and the installation will complete. You should see a confirmation message, and the Zoom integration will appear under your connected apps. If you run into any issues, verify you're logged into the correct HubSpot portal and the correct Zoom account, and that you have permission to install apps. Once connected, you're all set. HubSpot can now create Zoom links for your meetings, making scheduling faster and more consistent. That's it for the setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined Zoom and HubSpot workflow.